Coming over to the drill press, we've got our 2 holes marked at 322 millimetres apart, exactly on our centre line. We have a 5mm drill in here. I'm using a brad point drill, which has the little spike out the bottom. That way we can put that spike exactly into this hole and we know that it's exactly the right spot. All right, safety glasses on. The height of the table is adjusted. I've locked it off. Here we go. So one hand holding my work, we turn him on, and then bring this down and go nice and slow. Put the spike in the hole, nice and slow. That's through. Spin it around. Switch it off. In order to securely mount this onto our fret slotting jig, we need to countersink these 2 holes so that this screw head is actually below the surface, because that needs to run up this way, flat on the table, and if these screw heads are sticking out, our slots are going to be all different depths. So to do that, we've installed a countersinking bit into here. Put our work in there, our nice sanded side facing up, and all we do is just drop that down a little bit. Pull it out, check it. That's still a little bit proud of the surface. I'll take a little bit more off. Try again. Alright, that is completely below the surface now. So we spin it around with the other end. Spot on. That's it.